can do. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel, like this video, give us a huge thumbs up, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And the links are in the description below. So, how the robot turns on is, there's of course a switch. And when you turn it on, it's going to tell its name, and then it puts on a little bit of music, and then you'll have to control it. So there is a controller. The brand is Smart. It's pretty nice. So these are the buttons. This is programming that we don't need to know about. This is going forward. This is turning left. This is turning right. This is going backwards. I don't know what these two does. And then if you're like turning it on, then if you want to stop it, then this is the button to stop it. And then this is some music, and this is some more music, and then this is going forward, just the same thing, going left, going right, and going backwards. And this is...
So let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Why don't we give it a try?
Okay, so I'm going to, of course,
Do you want to move the chair first?
Oh, yeah. The chair was just to show you the robot.
Yeah, let's just move the chair. And why don't you turn it on?
Yeah, that's what I was about to do.
So there is a button on the back.
So I'm going to say this button. We're going to listen to the music.
So that was a dance?
Yeah, and it put on some music. So let's say this one.
So did you put on some music?
Yeah, and it dances in the music. And I'm going to go backwards now. Go backwards. I'm going to say left. And then now this is right. And now I'm going to put on what was it? Reading a book. And we're just going to listen to part of it.
The Princess and the Pea.
Can you move it back?
Once upon a time,
Yeah.
there was a prince who wanted to marry a princess, but he insisted that his bride be a true princess embodied.
Now let's listen to something else. Remember this button, guys? This is where you stop it. Bye-bye. And now we're going to click on this button. This button.
Okay, what does that button do?
I didn't test it out, but I think it goes forward, I think.
Okay, why don't you give it a try?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it puts its hand up.
Okay, let's try that.
Wait. Actually, sometimes it just does that. It goes on, but it's actually on.
Is it out of charging?
I don't know. I feel like it's on.
I'm called the Space Warrior.
We're gonna see what this button does again.
Yeah, we can see the button. You just have to tell us.
See, I knew it. It lifts its hand up, and now it's going to lift its hand down. Actually, now we're going to see what this button does. These are just the same buttons, guys. See?
Yep. So
Oh, it's
it looks
just
pretty
here,
cool.
so-
It looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like the face.
Yeah, that's what I like.
It's just making random noises.
Yeah. I know.
Wow, that was a good demo, Nee. Well done. I think we'll do another demo. Do you want to say something to your subscribers? Can you hold the robot?
Yeah. So,
Lisa, Lila.
subscribe to our channel, like this video, and give us a huge thumbs up. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And the links are in the description below. And actually, Smart actually gave us this robot and the remote, they gave us this. And
Big thumbs up for them. We are going to leave the links to our social media channels in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe. Gives us a big thumbs up and give this guy a big thumbs up. Okay. Well, we're going to be making more awesome videos. Don't forget to watch those videos in future.
bye, peace.
See you in the next video.